Then had a pretty cool context menu, functional, packed with features, but let's be honest, it wasn't perfect. Then came Windows 11 with a modern, sleek context menu, but it has its own problems. Missing options forcing users to click on show more just to access a basic feature. Not ideal, but what if I told you there's something better, modern, stylish, and a highly functional context menu that blends the best of both worlds? Today, we are looking at some of the best context menus you can try on Windows 10 and Windows 11. So let's dive in. So let's start with Windows 10. The context menu was packed with options, but visually it looked outdated. It gets the job done, but it lacked a modern feel. Then came Windows 11, bringing a fresh, minimalistic look. It was smooth, yes, but it stripped away quick access to essential options. Suddenly, we had to click show more options to get a full menu, but for power users, it was frustrating. That's where custom context menu came in. Let's talk about two great alternatives. We have Shaw and Breeze. First up, if you love Windows 11 modern design but want more functionalities, this is for you. It brings the detailed Windows 10 style options while keeping the Windows 11 aesthetic. What makes it great? It has a beautiful acrylic background, giving it that sleek, semi-transparent look. It's smooth, modern, and it doesn't take away your favorite shortcuts. Shaw offers customizations too, and if you look at their documentation, there are a whole lot of things you can do with this context menu, and it's pretty great. So you can tweak it to fit your personal style, but what if you want something more refined? That's where Breeze comes in. Now, this one got me excited. Breeze takes the best element of Windows 10 and 11, add a modern touch and smooth effects and transitions for a premium feel. Anytime you hover over an option, it glides smoothly, making the whole experience feel polished. Only that, Breeze keeps all the essential options visible without forcing you to click show more option, but it also has a cleaner, sharper design. If you are someone who values both aesthetic and functionality, this one is worth checking it out. So which one is for you? If you want a Windows 11 like look for full functionality, go for Shaw. If you want a modern animated experience with the best of both Windows 10 and 11, then try Breeze. That is, both options are mile ahead of the default Windows context menu. I have been using Breeze for a while now, and honestly, it's one of the most smoothest experience I have had on Windows. Let me know in the comments which one you prefer. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on more Windows customization tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.